Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. I love being able to open up my back door and come out and snip some fresh herbs when I'm cooking. This herb box by Best Choice Products has been just wonderful to have. Setting it up was so simple. The instructions were very clear and everything was labeled. Now you will need your own tools, but it does come with all of the screws that you need. I do recommend using a drill when you're setting it up. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It was like I was walking through a grove of trees. I just loved it. I really like the height of this box. I'm 5'5" and it's just below my hips, which means it's perfect for my kids to be able to help with the gardening and help with herb gathering. Now it is just into spring. We're still getting frost, so I haven't planted any seeds in it yet, but I did transplant some chives, as you can see. I'm so excited for all of the yummy goodness that I'm going to be growing this summer. I can't wait to try some new things out, and I love my Best Choice Products herb box. And that's my point of view.